Hey, good Saturday morning, growers. This is meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. We are starting to get some changes in the weather pattern and the weather forecast. So several things I want to update you on there. I want to first run a term by you that you should know about. We call it meteorological cancer. Okay, where that comes in is as a model goes from a model forecast, 12 hours, 24 hours out, 36, 48, 96, 120, out 10 days, out to 16 days in some cases. As if you have something a little inaccurate in the model at 12 hours out, when it forecasts 24, it's a little more inaccurate, 36 more inaccurate, 48, and so on. And that's why I say sometimes we do not believe 8, 9, 10 days out. That's going to come in when we take a look at the European coming up here in just a minute, way out into the future. But what do we have first? First, we have some rain showers coming up tomorrow morning. So this is all through the day today. And then here comes that cold front from the north. We've been tracking this for several days now. You have to admit that. Okay, this is 6 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'd call it a 6 to 9 type shower activity. And this model even wants to try to indicate a little bit of a wind shift and maybe some showers coming back into Tuscola and Huron County in the afternoon. I would agree with that because we're going to get colder aloft and it can make some lake effect rain showers. It can be, 1/10, 2/10 heavier than what is generally expected. So we're into Sunday. Sunday afternoon we dry out. Monday we are dry. Here comes the next cold front coming down into the area. And this is going to be, 9 o'clock Monday night. So if you dry out on Monday, you might have all the way until dark or slightly after. And we go through the night with showers, a little more robust of a cold front, which actually could turn it over to snow showers. That kind of pattern right there, 8 in the morning on Tuesday, is kind of a showery, snow showery, windy, cold type pattern. And then we go into Tuesday and we start to dry out. All right, so let's look at the high resolution rapid refresh for that. This is the radar forecast. We'll zoom it along. We're going to go to 6 in the morning. That's 6 in the morning right there tomorrow, 7, 8, 9, and it shows the showers around. So it's tough to say whether you'll be stopped or not. High resolution rapid refresh precip amounts off of that. And there you can see it's showing 1/10, let's call it 5/100ths to 2/10 of an inch. All right, now, European in the long term. And we go out. Here's our cold front coming through on Monday night into Tuesday. Okay. Gets us back into a little bit colder air. Then here's that system that's coming through Wednesday night, Thursday. Remember, that had been making a beeline toward us, but it's moved a little east because the warmer air is starting to come in, and that's also a reason why we're starting to see the changes in the forecast, because the upper airflow is bending from northwest to southwest, and it's changing how the models track these storms. We're into Friday. We're into somewhat warmer air, and then again, now we're getting out to pretty far out. So we're going to start to worry about meteorological cancer, and let's hope so, because by the time we get to the end of this run, 10 days out now, it has quite a storm system wound up with quite a rain in our area. And the GFS, the U.S. model, has a somewhat similar indication. That would be around April 27th. So that's why I've thought all along that as we get toward late April and May and it starts to warm up a touch, then we have to obviously start to worry about a little more rain. So this is our European model forecasting the rain on Monday night and Tuesday. And it's a couple of tenths to where it's lake enhanced, maybe 4 or 5 tenths, especially Huron County, eastern part of Tuscola County. We'll go through next week, and it doesn't do a whole lot. That would be good news. So you might still have several days next week where you plant. And of course, we go to the meteorological Cancer time period at the end of the run again, 10 days out. Don't believe it just yet. We'll wait and see what it does for a couple of days. But then we're talking, could be some heavier rains. Again, don't freak out because that's compounding. And I just wanted to end with a soil temperature forecast for you. This is in the top couple of inches. We're into Monday, warms in the upper 40s, and we're into Tuesday, low 40s in the afternoon. We're into Wednesday, mid 40s. We're into Thursday, 55-ish. We're into Friday, 51-ish. Saturday, we're into 57. So probably good sugar beet germinating temperatures. Corn and soybeans, no, not yet. That's probably coming toward the end of April, the first couple of days of May. There's your update. Again, shot of showers tomorrow morning, 6 to 9 a.m. Another one Monday night, early Tuesday. That one might stop you for a day or day and a half or so. And we'll just keep keeping you updated. Weather never stops, right? Farming never stops. So match made in heaven. Take care. This is Mark Torregrossa.